Tragopan pheasant. The satyr tragopan pheasant, also known as the crimson tragopan, is a striking and colorful pheasant species native to the eastern Himalayas and parts of India, Bhutan, and Nepal. It is renowned for its brilliant crimson plumage and intricate patterns, making it one of the most visually stunning pheasants in the world. Male satyr tragopans are known for their vibrant crimson-red plumage. They have a glossy black throat adorned with white patches, and their striking crimson body is covered with intricate blue and black patterns. The wings are dark with white spots, and they have a distinctive black tail with white edges. The head has a bluish crown and a pair of striking horn-like projections known as horns of tragopan, which are actually bare blue skin patches. In contrast, females have more subdued brownish plumage with white spots. During the breeding season, male satyr tragopans engage in elaborate courtship displays to attract females. They puff up their vibrant plumage, fan their tails, and make distinct vocalizations. Mating pairs are generally monogamous during the breeding season, and the female typically constructs a nest on the forest floor, where she lays a clutch of eggs.